In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game The Farmer Was Replaced on PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and after that we are quickly going to search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game. Quickly go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time. Search up the game The Farmer Was Replaced and open the game page. After that, scroll a little bit down and you will find out this game on Steam is €9.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money while downloading games. So what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, The Farmer Was Replaced. Select the games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, and after that you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so always make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Now, the next step is open the game page, click on it and open the game page, and you will find out that we can already download this game for just €8.72 compared to the Steam price of €9.99. Once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!